Hello everyone, my name is Salman and welcome to my channel Era24 UK, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install themes and plugins and how you can configure them. So let's get started. First we will go to our browser. Whatever you have got your domain name, so you have to check either you have installed. If it is not installed WordPress, you just go to your cPanel or control panel of your hosting, and then you can install first WordPress. Once you will install WordPress, you will see this sign on your domain name, and backend will be something like that. After login, you will see your the login panel. So here I can show you what you will see after login. After login, you will see on your left hand side the dashboard and some other options such as posts, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings. We are going to start with the theme first. So whatever theme you have got, or if you don't have any theme, then we are going to click on appearance. I have got my default theme, so if you want to install a new theme, you can install by clicking add new theme. Here you can see different kind of themes. Those are very popular, so either you can choose from them. Let's say we are going to install Astra. So just click on install and it will start installing. Once the theme is installed, you can just activate. Some themes take a little bit time. The theme is installed now. As you can see here, a tick mark is there is the information installed. So just activate, click on this button, and now the theme is activated. As you can see, thanks for installing the Astra theme, and now you can start working on it. So this theme is by default. When you install WordPress, you will get this theme free of charge, and if you have purchased any theme, then you can by adding a new theme, and then you have to click upload theme. So once you will click upload theme, you will get this section here where you can upload your purchased theme. But if you haven't got any purchase theme, then as I told you, you will go to appearance and add new theme, and then here you will find popular themes, and you can install by clicking install button. So now we go to our plugin section, which is very important because all themes are depending on plugins. So we will do the same thing, add new plugin. If we don't know which plugin right now, we can add. Either you can choose or you can just install the one which you need. So we are going to install, for example, the cache plugin, which is, we will just write cache, and then you will see here so many cache plugins will come up. Choose the one you like. I will take this one, so we will install this one, and then we are going to activate. So this is the way you can create a WordPress theme, and you can install theme, whatever theme you need, as well as plugin. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.